What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something on the truck. We're actually got some universal seats. As you can see right now, we got no seatbelts in here, and we are riding over here like a thug. But since we got windows in, obviously it helps so that we won't get pulled over and stuff like that. But we need some seatbelts so that we don't go flying out this shit. So I got some 2-point seatbelts. Usually there's a 3-point that obviously is normal and it goes like that. These, they're just gonna go like this, but it's better than nothing, I have to get the brackets like I told you a couple videos back. So to get these, because these are actually Toho seats, they're not from the Silverado. Silverado usually has like a little indent right here and it comes out. So that's why we're gonna have to do this. So yes sir, stay tuned for the vlog. Alright guys, get your ass out the way. Alright guys, we got this little piece already out, which was this, which connected to a 3-point harness. Obviously that had to go bolted up, but we're not gonna be bolting it up. We're gonna stick this to there, and then well, yeah, it should be able to work like that. This right here is a seatbelt that we got. Like I said, it is a 2-point harness, so it's not gonna be like your standard seatbelt, but hey, it's better than nothing. I'm not gonna fly out the damn window and shit. I might hit my head on the steering wheel, but we're not gonna fly out the window, so that's better than nothing. Alright guys, we finally got the seats in. The seat belts in, and we already got it bolted up and everything. Looks pretty good. Kind of matches pretty close. Nothing too crazy, but obviously it's from a different year probably, so it isn't. But I like right here, you can adjust it. For me, skinny niggas, gotta make that shit skinny. Now we gotta try this side right here, but it's actually hiding under this, so we have to try to take this off without breaking it. Hopefully we don't break it. But yeah, this one's gonna be a little bit harder. We finally got them in. Oh, this fool is over here dripping sweat. He needs that AC, that cold blown AC. Let me see real quick though. Muñeño, chupapi muñeño. So guys, we got the seatbelts in already. They look pretty badass, and they match decently. Just need to give these shits a cleaning. Haven't cleaned it. I also need to clean this, because I spilled a whole freaking mango juice all over this crap. And well, I cleaned this, but not that. Yeah, we need to clean these. But overall, came out pretty clean. It's better than nothing too. So when I get pulled over, they won't tell me nothing for not having any seatbelts. But I got these at least, bro. Come on. Alright guys, now we're about to give this thing a wash. We've been chilling here. I think we gave it a wash last weekend, but about to give you one right now. Got a lot of leaves. Yes sir, because freaking house got hella leaves over here. But about to get this on. Oh yeah, actually my tail lights, they ain't working right here. My third brake light works, but not these whenever I press the brakes. The blinkers work, so I need to see what's up about that. Yeah, let me know if y'all know anything about that. See, maybe it's a fuse or something that I don't know of. Hopefully we can try to figure it out so that we can drive it more in the night, because right now we drive it at night, we're finna get pulled over or someone finna hit us. Alright, let's try to get this thing on now. Oh, I gotta put the choke. Yes sir, forgot. These guys, we got the truck all posted up. We got Roger's truck back there. He just got some new wheels also. Yeah, we got the truck all nice and clean. It's looking pretty good right here. Haven't washed it that good in a while. selling these wheels, 2414s. I think they got 33s, 2,500. So make sure to let them know on Instagram. Yes, sir. His needs a wash, but yeah, they put good posted up here. We actually freaking power washed all this wing off here because, I painted it like shit just to try to get it better for OTM, but it ended up coming out like shit because the paint didn't even match. The guy literally came and matched it himself, and it literally came out opposite, literally. But yeah, we're just gonna take it off for now. Probably just primer it till we get it painted. And these guys over here trying to figure out how to put a windshield wiper on damn diesel. Just cleaned up the RZR. And we put some plastic shiner. Make this shit shine. That ass. Yeah, we just got it clean. Don't mind the freaking ad. But yeah, it came out pretty clean. Yes, sir. Alright guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. I want to thank you for watching to the end. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I know I haven't been posting, but this is why I wanted to post a little mini vlog of getting the new seatbelts done. Hopefully soon we can try to get some more things done and vlog it. So yeah, stay tuned like I said, and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.